Hey y'all, hey, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Bambi, so come on in. Let's get into some home updates, shall we? So this video is sponsored by Vatex, featuring the filter shower head handheld. Now, I've been saying for a while that I needed to switch my shower head. Previously, I had a Delta shower head and the water flow was horrible. I was in the market and looking for one in Lowe's. I went to Home Depot, and some of them can get very pricey. However, Vatex was kind enough to send me one to review. All components were well packaged and easy to identify. The color also pairs well with my existing hardware in the shower. This install was very easy. I'm already loving the scale of the handheld. I can also appreciate how the cord isn't too long or in the way. This handheld has 5 water spray modes, a unique cyclone design that's aesthetic, an upgraded filter function that removes harmful substances from the water for overall health, and maintained high pressure, which I absolutely love because even if you have a low water flow, such as myself, it will still give you a strong flow. If you are too in the market for a new shower head, I will provide the link down below for this handheld in my Amazon storefront. Thank you, Vatex, for sponsoring today's video. Okay guys, of all the videos, I think I forgot to show you on my guest bathroom. Well, this is it. Very simple. There's my DIY tray that I made a couple of months back. So this plant that's sitting on top of there actually came from the Dollar General. I believe it was $6. And I just kind of have this stool that is sitting on from Amazon. I've had it for quite some time. I actually forgot how much it is. However, it will be linked in my Amazon storefront. Moving this way. This set is from IKEA. I paired it with a kind of marble trivet, I guess you can call it, from HOMEGOODS. And it just kind of have essentials in there for my guests. So Q-tips, cotton pads, and cotton balls. And then we have the petrified wood there, and I just have it accented with the donut vase. Just keeping it really simple. And then here are like some wipes for my guests. I did have that sitting on here. I put it there for easier access. So this is how I kind of have everything now. I'm sure more than likely I will probably switch it around. But I just wanted to update you all because I don't think that I've shared it. Oh, and not to forget, this basket is from Tuesday morning. And I use it to house like extra roll of tissue and towels. So yeah, that's it for my guest bath. Also updated in my office area is my massage pad. So this is very similar to a massage chair. It has the remote with many functions. I thoroughly enjoyed this thing, oh my goodness, especially the pulsate function. But even though it's just the slip cover, it feels just like the entire chair. So that's another update to the office. I know I mentioned before I decided to keep this chair, and then I was like, well, I'm gonna get another one and go ahead and get rid of it. Now that I have this, I want to keep it. Definitely an essential. It is also from Amazon, and I will have it linked in my Amazon storefront. If you've made it thus far, as always, thank you so much for watching. If you like all things home decor and lifestyle with a little bit of vlogging, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you are subscribed already, don't forget to turn on those notifications so that you don't miss any future content. I will see you in the next one. Bye.